All right, the moment we've been waiting for. This is the opening of the Z Flip 3 cover. Okay. My wife got this from Amazon. It's a Coing for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 case with stylus. All right. It's supposed to be violet. Let's open it up and see what we got. She got this Z Flip 3 less than a week ago, and she wants a cover, and that's what we have. And it's got a stylus with it too. Comes with a stylus. We'll see how this all works out. It's 2 parts. And it clips right on like our old case. And then close it and see how it looks. All the necessary parts are on it. And we'll also check to make sure it charges with that on the wireless charger. And there's your handy stylus. And that goes over the hinge, and it makes it even more water resistant. Now I'll also be doing a full review of the, I want to show your pattern, and showing a review of the Z Flip 3. Okay, so the stylus is working good. So we will do more review when we find out more about this cover and everything and how it works. Let me put it on the charger real quick to make sure it charges while it's in the case. The wireless charger. It does. It works fine. Let me see. We have 2 wireless chargers. Let's see what it says. And okay, it's charging on this. Now this had another message on it. Let me put it on this one and see what it said. It beeped. Okay, the fast wiring charge does not work on this charger, but it's doing the regular charge. Alright, that works out good. So do you like the feel of it and everything? Okay, and we'll figure out how that hinge works. The hinge is down, and then when you open it, the hinge works properly. And it's got a nice rubbery feel to it. And of course that provides a little bit more drop protection. Of course we don't want to drop it. All right, that's the Z Flip 3, and I'll be putting the link down where you can get this if you want. But it's a camera screen protection case for the Z Flip 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 case. And it's from Cocoing. Cocoing. Okay. And we'll let you know how this works. All right, that's it. Have a blessed day.